Hey guys, it's Toxic Gamer here. Today we'll be playing Bogety Bogety or something. So yeah, so yeah, and if you guys um wanna play with me, if you guys wanna play sometime, I'll be on around like 3 o'clock every day. And if I'm not, I'll usually be playing. Um, oh God, guys, I spammed it. Guys, I spammed this too much. I'm a pleb. Just like this chest, it says I'm a pleb and I am a pleb. Oh God, guys. Oh God, guys. Oh God. Oh God, what did I do, guys? What did I do? I don't have a big inventory. So yeah, I saw another YouTuber do this and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna try it. And it's actually really fun. I got the idea when I was just looking on YouTube and I saw it on Moosecraft. And go check him out. No, I never met him. I mean, I don't know any YouTubers other than my friend. But yeah. So yeah, guys, let's get right in this video. So I don't know where did it go. I really never ever played this game before. I don't know what to do. Like I've never played this game in my whole entire life. I mean, I've seen my friends play it, but never I actually played it. Oh, who needs a raft? Oh, maybe I did. Do you think ice raft? Perfect idea. So guys, so yeah, this is my second video. As you guys can see, I still got 0 subs, and nobody has even checked my first video out. That probably means nobody's gonna check out this video. But yeah. So sorry in the background. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just had to close my door. Oh, brother setting up his account. Or at least trying to. As you guys can see, I'm trying to join a crab. Yes, I was invited to the Green Tribe, guys. Yay! I don't know how many people are in it, and freak. There's 0 members in it, guys. Oh God, guys. There's 0 members in the group I just joined. Oh, come on. Oh, there's my ice thingy, guys. Oh, look. Sailing away on ice. Guys, look at this. I'm sailing away on ice. Isn't it funny, guys? And so yeah. So my first video wasn't a big success, but it still worked out a bit, I guess. So yeah. And I think my character looks like a moron, but that's my opinion. And I'm just gonna go like that. And just gonna nobody must know, guys. No one must know I was here. I'm gonna see where my green tribe is. Okay, so I'm gonna say, where's green tribe? I don't know if they'll tell me where it is. I'm just saying, where's green tribe? Like not being. And nobody replies to me. Guys, is that the green tribe? I don't know, guys. I don't want to be killed though. I'm asking where the base is, guys. So yeah, if you guys ever want to play with me, just message my character, Adam the Knight, YouTube. Night spelled wrong. So yeah. And also, if you guys want me to play a game, just leave in the comment what game I should play, and let's just play. And just freak, I can't mine iron. Guys, I can't mine iron. I'm poor. Yeah, hello, darkness, my friend. You're freaking core. It's core numb. So guys, hey guys, I leveled up. Club chest hat. For guys. Well, guys, I guess I'm just gonna be looking for my team, and I bet you when I find my team, guys, everybody in the, I bet you someone's gonna kill me. Like everybody's gonna be dead. I bet you. Like, oh, what the freak, guys? What just happened? Oh, sorry, you guys don't need to see that. Guys, what just happened there? What just happened there, guys? I don't know what just happened there. At all. What the freak? Like, what happened there? Like, what the freak? Oh, did I lose all my stuff? Oh, guys. Okay, guys. Oh, that's better. Oh, God. Guys. Tell me guys you don't see that. Shark. What's up, petite? Oh, guys, it's eating me. Oh, guys, it's hurting me. Oh, what the freak, shark. Bad. Oh, freak. Guys, I just lost everything. Do you think guys, do you think I should just rage quit? Gotta just say. I think I just ate everything. Guys, they just ate everything. I'm just gonna have a go squat. That's how salty I am, guys. I'm bringing my good chest in. Guys, I'm just gonna grab all this. That's how salty I am, guys. And yeah, that just made me salty, guys. Would you guys be salty if a shark just ate you? Man, I was pretty dumb just to walk up to the shark and think it would just warm up. But yeah, guys. What did the totem do? Guys, I'm looking for the leader. And how come I'm always invited to the worst group of the game? Do you guys agree with me, guys? Leave shirt, leave pants. I have a leaf bag, apparently. So yeah, I have all my stuff again. I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around. Hopefully no one tries to mess with me because I really don't feel like being messed with. And I totally think, why would they have ice globes? That'd be, that's cool. That's just, how did I do that? But guys, where do you think I should get a base at? Guys, I see a guy. I'm gonna go say hi, and I think I'm gonna I'm inviting the guy to my tribe, guys. The guy might kill me, guys. I'm afraid. Guys, I just robbed him with his boots. Guys, I just robbed him with his boots. Guys, yeah, I am viewers. Thank you. Oh, free, guys. That's red team. That's red team. The guy wants to go, bro. The guy wants to go. The guy is going. The guy's fighting me, guys. The guy is fighting me. The guy's beating me. The guy's the guy. I just got wrecked again, guys. I just got wrecked again. I'm not gonna. Guys, is this all my stuff? Guys, look, this shark. But yeah, so I had enough of this game, and before I start to rage, guys, I'm killing these people. You're nuts, you're nuts. I'm killing these people. I'm killing this girl. I'm killing this girl. Yes, I got me, guys. Come on, spawn your crate. So as you guys can see, we're 12 minutes in. So yeah, bye. Have a nice day, guys, and bye.